10th class, there was a little bit doubt in these two types of the question. Okay, there was a doubt how the nth term and the sum of the n terms are the entirely different things. Nth term is given by 5 minus 2 and form the AP. So let us see. Nth term means we are denoting by an. 5 minus 2n. So what would be the a1? A1 means we have put here 5 into 2 into 1. That would be 3. And a2. 5 minus 2 into 2. So 5 minus 4, 1. a3. 5 in minus 2 into 3. So it will be 5 minus 6 minus 1. Clear? Okay. an. The nth term, this is given by an. We'll put 1 by 1. N is equal to 1. N is equal to 2. N is equal to 3. So the required AP will be 3, 1, minus 1. This is our AP. You understood? See the common difference is minus 2. So it is AP. Okay, further it can be asked to find the sum of 25 terms. So you can find out the 25 terms. Okay. Now see the another aspect. And this sort of the question students may be confused. Sum of the n terms. That is not an. This is an because nth term. Now this is a sum. So we will denote by Sn is equal to 5n square minus 3n. Clear? 5n square minus 3n. Now put the 1 by 1 as 1. 5 into 1 square minus 3 into 1. So that would be 2. Okay, this would be 2. Now S2. 5 into 2 square minus 3 into 2. Clear? You are getting it, point students? 5 into 2 square. 5 4 are 20. 20 minus 6, that would be 14. Now S3. 5 into 3 square minus 3 into 3. Okay, 9 5 is 46 minus 9, that would be 36. But listen students, these numbers are not denoting the terms likewise this. Like in this question, A1 is the first term, A2 second term, A3 is the third term. Simple. But in this sort of the question, S1 is the first term, but S2 is the sum of the first term and second term. So A1 will be the 2, but A2 will be the S2 minus S1. Clear? This is 14 is the sum of the first term and second term. 14 included the first term and second term. So what would be the second term? The sum of the two term minus first term, that would be 12. Now A3 is S3 minus S2. Why the S3 minus S2? Because S3 means what? Sum of the three terms. S2 sum of the two terms. Sum of the three term minus sum of the two term. 36 minus 14. So that would be 22. So the required AP will be what? First term is 2 and second term, first term is 2 and the second term 12 and third term is 22. You understood how? First term S1, but S2 is not a second term. S2 is the sum of the first term and second term. So 14 minus 2, 12 is the second term. Now third term, sum of the three terms minus sum of the two terms. S3 minus S2, 36 minus 14, 22. So the required AP will be 2, 12, 22. So you understood the difference between these sort of the questions? And further it can be asked, find the nth term of this AP. So this is your AP. Now what is the n term? N term is given by A plus n minus 1 into D. So we will put here the value A plus n minus 1 into D. So you can find out the nth term also if the question asks. And in this sort of the question, clear? You can find out, suppose the sum of the 20 terms, 25 terms, so Sn, n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d, you will find out by this formula sum of the 25 terms. So sum of the 25 terms, in place of this 25 by 2 to a plus n minus 1 into d. You can calculate this one also. This is very easy task to you, but be careful about these sort of the operations. This is the showing the first term, second term, third term, clearly a1, a2, a3. But as1 is showing the first term, as2 is sum of the first term and second term. You subtract this one as this second term, third minus second, you will get the third term. Okay, students. Thank you.